Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily make do-it-yourself ornaments at home for Christmas this year. So I hope that you enjoy my special Vlogmas Day 8 video. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Join me today as I'm getting ready to make these do-it-yourself ornaments, and I'm just going to talk throughout the video because it's a lot, but it's also very simple and easy to do. So here we go. Alright guys, so here's my setup. First of all, you need ornaments. You can use round or you can use the plastic disc balls. I like to use the disc ones because you can put vinyl onto the front and lay it flat. Your round ones are not going to be able to really hold much unless you have like words going across the top or the bottom. You'll need this polyacrylic, which is just a protective finish. You can find this at Michael's. You can find this at Lowe's. That was a $10 can at Michael's. So hopefully you have some coupons when you go into Michael's and you're able to get some money off of that. So anyways, you need glitter, and you want some like cups that you're going to be able to drain this protective finish into. The one thing I'll say about this is I have used pine glow and I've used like finish glow, things like that, for like finishing your floors, but don't use that stuff. That's what I have used all of these years up until this year. This is what I'm using. This actually holds these ornaments really, really good. And the one thing that I can say is that it holds the glitter a lot more. Normally when I used to use pine glow or finish glow, things like that, it would stay for a while, but then the next couple of days the glitter would break off of the ornament. Let's just say you dropped it, or if you like hit up against it. Anyways, moral of the story is use this polyacrylic protective finish in your ornaments. You can use this in plastic and you can use it in glass. So make sure you get a funnel. The funnel I got was from the dollar store, and you just easily want to pour some of the polyacrylic into your ornament, swish it around, and then make sure you got every nook and cranny of that ornament, because you don't want one patch not having glitter on it. You want to just go ahead and empty the glitter back into the regular container, or you can put it on something and boom. So I did red, I did green. So join me as I still do a couple more ornament colors. So you guys want to let them dry just for a little bit. These are how the colors turned out. They turned out really bright and brilliant. So we're going to move on to step number 2. Step number 2 is simple. If you have a Cricut machine or a Silhouette machine, or I think the other one is it Cameo? I'm not sure. I just know about the Cricut and the Silhouette. So you create some different designs that you want to put onto your ornaments. Today I'm just going to show you guys 3 different designs. I'm going to show you a snow girl, and then I'm going to show you how to make a Santa cam, and then I'm just going to do one quick and simple Christmas themed ornament as well, saying merry and bright. So these are just the colors and the way that the Cricut machine works. One thing I'm going to say is, yes, the Cricut machine can be pretty expensive, but the one thing about it is once you pay for it, it's done being paid for, and you'll make that money right back by making crafts and using this Cricut machine to make designs for shirts or cups and things like that that you want to sell. So definitely look into getting a Cricut for yourself. I know that I would love to learn how to use it in my classroom when I do get the chance to, but for now I use it for majority of ornaments, cups, shirts, designing canvases, totes, and things like that. So here's the material that I needed to make the Santa cam. The word Santa was a little bit like too thin as far as the font, so that's the reason why the wording was coming up. But if you just take your finger and poke it back down and grab the other finger to hold it, yeah, you get the drift of the point. Overall, I really wanted you guys to see how the Cricut machine works and how it cuts. So I included that footage in here. But I also wanted to show you guys like what it's going to be like when it's printing using the actual cutting needle that's right there in slot B. So, you know, if you guys are interested in any more Cricut videos, comment down below what you would like to see me make. And I definitely will try to get a tutorial out for you guys on how to make that certain thing that you would like me to make. All right, so this twine was bought from Michael's for about $2.99 or $4.99, one of the two, can't remember. But anyways, this is what I want to put onto the ornament Merry and Bright. I'm using this on the blue ornament. So just like take your scraper and you want to make sure that it's going to come up with the tape and basically transfer it. One thing I will say is when you use bulbs like this instead of the flat disc, you have a risk for it being curvy like that to the point where you're going to have to cut some slits so that you can work on one word or one image at a time. So first I want to get the Merry part on there, so I cut a couple slips, and then I worked on like trying to get the ornaments on, and then the and then the Bright. So this is why a flat disc would have worked so much better for this project right here. All right, so this is project number 3 to where I'm making a snow girl. We have the nose, we have the cheeks, and we have the actual face that's going to go onto the ornament. The one thing about this project right there is that this is simple and easy to maneuver onto an ornament. The other two, not so easy because this is not curved and you can easily apply the different layers little by little if you choose to. So I'm just gonna get all of my layers together and then I'll put it on because it's not so hard. I did add ribbon or twine to all of these that I made. Luckily, the black and white turned out really cute on this one. And here they are. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys can give this video a huge thumbs up. And I hope that you guys comment down below what you thought of these ornaments. Tune in for Vlogmas tomorrow.